At this hour, the Kirby News brought to you another shocking and serious press statement which was released from the Kirby Students Association Central Committee DFU. The press statement was released by the Assistant General Secretary Ajay Rongshihon. This is really a matter of concern for all of us. The press statement reads like this. Press statement, the DFU, the 10 March 2023. The KSA authority, concerned officials and concerned individuals looted crores of rupees in the name of supply of desks, benches, football, steel rack and skipping rope during the COVID-19 pandemic. Sanction release order number KAC/PED/1/A/A/2020-21 date 3/7/2020 for supply of materials was sanctioned with an amount of rupees 7,99,89,000. Now any layman can validate to the fact that the supply of those materials in different schools never took place during the COVID-19 pandemic, where schools remain closed. To substantiate our stand, we carried out a survey randomly at various schools in West Kirby Anglong. To our shock, many school authorities deny of receiving the materials as recorded to have been received by them. We are given to know that the school authorities are made to sign receipt of materials under duress. The so-called supply of materials of 6,853 pair desks and benches at rupees 5.13 crores, 2,691 notes of steel racks at rupees 1.74 crores hardly reached its destination if investigated properly, and 2,600 notes of football at rupees 52 lakhs and 29,500 notes of skipping rope at rupees 59 lakhs most likely vanish in thin air. One must question the unnecessary supply of football and skipping rope at a whopping rupees 1.11 crores when our Kirby students are staying as slaves for their studies in the plain districts. The money could have been utilized to fund their studies in Kirby Anglong, but these corrupt people are so selfish that they will build their homes at the cost of the future of the poor students in Kirby Anglong. In the fourth paragraph of the press statement that reads like this. We as student organization strongly condemn the misuse of gov fund and playing with the future of the students. We fail to understand the CEM Kirby Anglong Autonomous Council to Ram Ronghang remaining a blind spectator to the corrupt practice when he always preaches of zero tolerance against corruption. CEM Ronghang's involvement cannot be ruled out in the misuse of fund based on his silence on the corrupt practices. Firms and contractors involved in the supply of materials, MSV Traders, MSRS Enterprise, MS Karni Enterprise, Sri Dhaniram Rongpur, Sri Sanjay Malakar, MSL Infotech, Sri Dhaniram Rongpur, Sri Hardin Teron, Sri Dikram Singh Rongpi, Sri Longmir Teron, Sri Babu Singh Timung, Sri Mahendra Conver, Sri Mangal Singh Ronghang must be brought under inquiry and arrested if found involved in the corruption. We shall make sure the offenders go to jail. Concerned officials and concerned individuals must be brought to book and punished. We will take democratic agitation if necessary. We are that serious on putting the corrupt behind bars. In determination, yours truly, Ajay Rongshihon, Assistant General Secretary, Kirby Students Association Central Committee, contact number 9101224241. Stay updated to know the response from the Kirby Anglong Autonomous Council. Anyway, we are supposed to kill corruption and walk towards development. Thanks for watching Kirby News.